right, Paul, here's your car. And the front's done now. No. This isn't about to turn around, back it in. Because I still had to put your front spoiler on, so here's your taillight covers. Your fin, taillight cover, and I still gotta run your light to the back, the bottom, which is no problem, I got that. So I've got that. We gotta put your amp in the back. All your stuff's wired. All your wires are to the back. Yeah, it looks like a mess, but don't worry. We got you covered. This is everything from the front. You got all your back speakers wired here. Back speakers here, your main power, your ground, all your RCAs, your remote, backup camera. So I'm gonna put your amplifier right there. One sub there in the box with grills. But she turned out beautiful. I like it. Yeah, we do need to get some more cushions for them seats. I just advise this ain't that bad. I think if you got another cushion, we might be able to put some type of patch on there, but anyway. Doors are all run, pretty. And get a back view. Still got a cleaner, so don't hit me too hard on it. Which, alright, it's not lit up right now, but anyway, there she is. I'm about to back her in and go ahead and start on the back, get the amp, everything buttoned up, carpet back in it. All I gotta do is place the two sub boxes in it. She's ready.